what's up? It's Kristina Pasadena coming to you live from a new condo listing right in the heart of Madison Heights, in the heart of Pasadena and walking areas. So this is 355 South Madison Avenue, Pasadena, unit 305. It's offered at $599, which I'm sure there'll be offers. Lots of people will be interested at this price point. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, just under 1,000 square feet. This building has a rec room, a pool, a meeting area, laundry room with updated machines that you can use like your credit card in, and a nice little gym. And it comes with 2 tandem parking spaces. So tandem, side by side. No, tandems are the one where you stack them. Anyway, it comes with 2 parking spaces. So take a look. Anytime your patio faces south, you have to consider that it's going to cost more to cool your apartment, your place, your unit, given the direct sunlight. However, the light is beautiful. Dining space, hallway, updated list. Full bath. Bath toilet. Open this inside. Very cute and cozy. I like this. This is cute. Check it out. Yeah, pretty.